Today in crypto. 2TM Groups holds $1 million as stakes in Fingerprints DAO. The latter is a leading NFT curation and collection firm. Both parties are happy with this development. 2TM Group acquires a $1 million stake of $Prints tokens in the Fingerprints DAO. In particular, the latter is the leading NFT collections and curation group. In fact, the firm holds about 20,000 ETH worth of NFTs. The founder of Fingerprints DAO, Luis Ramalho, says, "We are thrilled to welcome 2TM Group to the ranks of our members. By joining the DAO, 2TM gains exposure to the bustling global NFT scene and gains a chance to explore a novel organization model, which I am sure will be adopted by more and more communities moving forward into the future." 2TM is the parent company of Mercado Bitcoin. It holds the title of being the largest crypto exchange in Latin America. Now, with this $1 million Prints token stake, the 2TM Group will be joining the world's most significant NFT art-focused DAOs. In addition, 2TM will be accompanied by Union Square Ventures, USV, Andreessen Horowitz, A16Z, and many other participants. No doubt this is indeed a move that shows the growing influence of NFTs. The executive chairman and CEO of 2TM Group, Roberto Dagnoni, says that to them, joining Fingerprints DAO is first and foremost a learning experience. It will see how new economic models can impact LATAM. To add on, he says that he is beyond impressed with what Fingerprints has achieved so far. Truly, it has raised the prominence as NFT art curators and as industry leaders. To clarify, one can argue that non-fungible tokens, NFTs, played a huge part in the crypto market recovery this year. Specifically, NFT trading volume surpassed $10 billion in Q3. Celebrities from all industries are slowly showing more and more interest in minting their own NFTs. These include Martha Stewart and Snoop Dogg. Historically, one can trace the craze for NFTs back to the Beeple taking away $69 million at the world's first NFT auction in March. Coincidentally, Fingerprints DAO began in March 2021. Presently, it holds over 250 members and has one of the largest collections of smart contract-based artworks. For instance, one of the most significant large collections it holds is the 26 autoglyphs. Autoglyphs are the first artworks to be created and stored on the Ethereum blockchain. Specifically, it was minted in 2019 by the creators of CryptoPunks. In total, only 512 autoglyphs exist. More so, their floor price is currently over $1.3 million. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Bitcoin, BTC, is still in a corrective phase, but Ether, ETH, has attracted strong buying, which pushed it to a new all-time high on October 29. The successful Altair Beacon chain upgrade seems to have boosted sentiment, and it also paves way for the merge with the Ethereum mainnet and the change to proof of stake. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy has continued to add to its already impressive Bitcoin stack. The company's Q3 report shows that it added 8,957 Bitcoin, taking its haul to 114,042 Bitcoin as of September 30, purchased at an average price of $27,713. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. We have some great news coming out of the United States on the cryptocurrency industry this month, with potentially more good news coming later this fall. On October 6, Gary Gensler, head of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, confirmed during a House Committee on Financial Services hearing that the regulator will not ban cryptocurrency, potentially blazing the path for the world's largest economy to become the global leader in the development of decentralized finance, DeFi, and blockchain technologies. Gensler, who taught a class on cryptocurrency at MIT, also said that prohibiting cryptocurrency doesn't fall under the SEC's mandate, and the only way to legally ban digital assets would be through Congress. It's a matter of how we get this field within the investor consumer protection that we have, and also working with bank regulators and others. How do we ensure that the Treasury Department has it within anti-money laundering, tax compliance? Gensler said. He also added, Raymond Hsu is the co-founder and CEO at Capital, a cryptocurrency wealth management platform. Prior to co-founding Capital in 2020, Raymond worked for fintech and traditional banking institutions, including Citibank, Standard Chartered, OTC, SCBFF, Bank, eBay, Nasdaq eBay, and Airlex. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. The Australian Federal Police, AFP, has uncovered cryptocurrency and cash worth more than $1.66 million during an investigation. Following information received from the FBI, the AFP arrested a hacker who sold stolen Netflix and Spotify subscriptions. Subsequently, the Supreme Court of New South Wales ordered the convicted hacker to forfeit the currencies to the Commonwealth. Related reading: Why Australia has issued a warning on crypto profits to investors. According to a statement by the Australian police, the convicted hacker is a 23-year-old man from Sydney. He conspired with a man in the US to steal the login details of streaming service customers and then sell them online at a cheaper rate. The Sydney offender pleaded guilty to various criminal offences in October last year. Afterward, the AFP-led Criminal Assets Confiscation Task Force, CACT, obtained restraining orders over all his accounts, including crypto, bank, and PayPal accounts under false names that the hacker owned. According to the report, the amount of crypto forfeited, more than AUD $1,202,276, is the largest Commonwealth forfeiture of cryptocurrency. The Australian Federal Police started investigating after they received information from the FBI. The hacker used an account generator website called wickedgen.com to sell stolen account details for online subscription services. The account details belonged to unknowing victims in Australia and internationally, including the US. This website operated for about 2 years before the police got hold of the hacker. AFP cybercrime investigators executed a warrant at his home, where they seized various evidence. Related reading: A crypto-friendly future for Australia. Senators propose new regulations. During the investigation, the Australian police discovered that the Sydney offender also operated 3 other similar websites. He converted some of his profits from these sites into various cryptocurrencies. An FBI indictment alleged that he operated one of the account generator websites with another man from the US. The Australian Minister for Home Affairs Karen Andrews will distribute the seized funds to support crime prevention, law enforcement, and community safety-related initiatives. Good work by the AFP has seen a criminal stripped of their ill-gotten gains, and this money redirected to enhancing the safety and security of communities right around Australia, she said. The Assistant Commissioner of the Australian Federal Police, Justine Goff, spoke about using crypto in cybercrime. According to her, criminals wrongly believed law enforcement could not confiscate their money if they converted it to crypto. The AFP-led CACT will relentlessly go after criminally obtained assets in whatever form they are found, whether it's cash, bank accounts, homes, luxury cars, or cryptocurrency, the Assistant Commissioner said. A so-called meme cryptocurrency named after Tesla, Nasdaq TSLA, and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is rising in value, namely by a whopping 3,780% in October. Dubbed Dogelon Mars, ELON, the cryptocurrency reached $0.0000233 Saturday, its highest level since May 13, after opening the month at $0.00005, data from Polinx. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.